Realme has launched Realme X7 and X7 Pro in China. In this video, we will talk about the features of Realme X7 and X7 Pro. The Realme X7 comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, whereas the Realme X7 Pro comes with a 6.5 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Both the smartphones are packed with a 4-camera setup on the back side with a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front side, both smartphones comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The Realme X7 powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 800U processor and a 4300 mAh battery with a 65 watt fast charger, whereas the Realme X7 Pro powered by a MediaTek 1000 Plus processor and a 4500 mAh battery with a 65 watt fast charger. Also, both the smartphones comes with a 5G support. Hope you enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.